Let's solve a problem about recording the disposal of a fixed asset. A company bought a computer for $1,500. 3 years later, the computer was sold for $300. The computer had an estimated service life of 5 years and used straight-line depreciation. Let's first calculate the annual depreciation and accumulated depreciation. The annual depreciation is the purchase price minus salvage value divided by useful life. That's 1,500 minus 0, divided by 5 years, which equals $300 per year. After 3 years, the accumulated depreciation would be $900. Now, let's calculate the book value at time of sale. The book value is the original cost minus accumulated depreciation. That's 1,500 minus 900, which equals $600. Now we can calculate the loss on sale. Since we sold the computer for $300, but its book value was $600, we have a loss of $300. Let's record the journal entries for the disposal. We need to remove the original cost from fixed assets, remove the accumulated depreciation, record the cash received, and record the loss on sale. The accounts we'll use are fixed assets, accumulated depreciation, and loss on sale of asset. Remember, we don't use sales income or depreciation expense accounts when recording asset disposal. The gain or loss account captures the difference between sale price and book value.